So if you're basically having this error of downloads on too many devices on your Netflix as you try to download either some video or probably on your Netflix application, please just watch this video and this is for you. So just do the following. Just make sure you follow this video until the end. Don't miss step by step. It's a 1-minute video, very brief, so just make sure you don't miss any part of it. So just follow my instructions and let's do this step by step. So let's get started. So all you have to do is open your Netflix application, and then you're going to see there's home, there's games, there's new and hot. Tap on downloads in the extreme side. Now do the following. Now this step is supposed to be done on probably all the devices that your Netflix account is signed in. So try to delete some episodes downloaded, or probably for a movie or anything that downloaded. So just select the pencil right there in the right hand upper corner, select the pencil and try to delete the episode downloaded, probably on each and every device. You can also upgrade your subscription plan so that you can accommodate more devices for a particular account. By doing this, you should be able to solve the problem. Let me know down in the comment section if this worked for you.